So guys, ito na yung main fridge namin. Huwag nyo akong husgahan kasi palagi namin itong ginagamit kaya marami siyang laman. Tingnan natin. Tsaka wala nga kalinis-linis. Tada! Oh my God. Nagkakahiya naman. Huwag nyo akong i-judge. Okay lang naman mag-judge kayo. Kasi ang fridge tour ko ay kakaiba. Ano meron dito? Oh my God. So that's it. Please give me like. Bye-bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, hindi ako kakain today. Ako ay magpapakita sa inyo kung anong meron sa fridge namin. So, popular to sa YouTube, diba? So, parang nahuli na nga ako, pero okay pa rin yun. So, just short story. I have here lots of magnets. I start collecting this during my previous travel. I have here Rome, Florence, Amsterdam, Duterte, and there is Dorian from Davao, and Prague, Turkey, and this is Tom Yum Kong from Thailand, and I have here Romeo and Juliet, and San Marino. This is from Barcelona, and I have in also, where is this? Thailand, Dubai. I have here 3 magnets that I never been there. I have here Bulgaria, London, and Montenegro. My friend gave this to me. So that's it only, guys, and let's proceed our French tour. Open. Tada! Halika kayo. Sama kayo sa akin. Yan po. Dito. Oops. Dito na side, may ano tayo dito. Yung mga sauce natin. Ketchup. Curry mango. This is sriracha, and this is also sriracha. I have there mustard, olive, and in this part milk, kefir, and on the other side I have here bagoong. This is regular one and the spicy one. I have here sauce for ice cream, toffee cream, and here is also margarine, some kefir, and smitanka for ice cream as well. And I have here some juices. So yan guys, yung mga open dyan ko nilalagay. Tapos dito may ano naman tayo, may cherry, more kefir, yogurt, and butter. And here like sausages, cold cuts. Here is some cheese, and here in this area are meat, and dito meron tayo ditong wine, and dito naman hindi ko na lang sila ipapakita. May ano tayo dyan, vegetables, more veggies. So, isasara na natin kasi ang ingay niya. Tsaka dito naman sa baba, ano to, frozen section area. Yan lang. Ano, strawberry, marami kami strawberry, frozen vegetables, ice cream for the kids if we have here like visitors, And chicken, frozen. More strawberry, blueberry, more ice cream. And here, in this area, oh my god, in this area, here are some frozen fish and more chicken. Dito naman sa kabila, meron tayo ditong more frozen strawberry. Kasi mahilig kami sa cocktail. Mas especially summer. Tapos dito naman, oh, more strawberry. More for smoothie. Green for smoothie. Yeah. That's it, you guys. Ito na talaga, guys. Ito na yung final fridge natin. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Yay! Nandito lang pala sila. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Kahit hindi naman to sila nagbabayad sa akin, no? So, anong meron dito na area? Meron dito frozen vegetables and frozen fruits. Oh, may ano pa, lemongrass. Andito naman, mga ice cream. Yan. Tapos dito, may ano tayo, pork pata or pork legs. Andito naman, may ano tayo dito. Ano to, frozen cauliflower. Tapos meron tayo ditong frozen mushrooms. Yan, mushrooms. Frozen dumplings. Frozen, ano ba yan? Cauliflower. Frozen, ano eh? Calamaris. Yan, frozen calamaris. Frozen, ano to? Frozen cherry for cocktails. Mahilig kasi kami mag-ano guys, mag-shake. Tapos ano to? Ito naman, oh, from Argentina, red shrimp. So, we have here gyros. And yan, whole chicken yan. And ito, frozen plum. And frozen broccoli. And yan, frozen wild berry. Frozen spinach. Frozen beans. Yan. And sa ilalim naman, ano yan? For french fries. Yeah. So, yan lang po, guys. Yan lang po ang laman. Hindi ko na sila isa-isahin kasi hindi naman sila nagbabayad. Diba? So, yan lang po. Bye-bye! That's it, you guys. I hopefully nag-enjoy kayo at ilalike nyo video ko. Tapos, kung ano bang gusto nyong ipapakita ko sa inyo next time, pwede kayong mag-request. So, hanggang dito lang po tayo. Please like. Bye-bye!